restoration is your birthright. God is in the business of restoration. He restores what you can't fix. Your joy, He's restoring it. Your confidence, He's rebuilding it. Your peace, He's flooding your life with it. Today, ask God, and just ask Him to refill the places that feel empty. And then whisper, God, remove anything that wasn't sent by you. And then watch Him move. Say thanks in advance to Him. Actually, say thanks in advance in the comments if you know that God is moving. Because you are not what they said. You are not who they tried to mold you into. You are God's creations, divinely made, fiercely loved, and beautifully whole. You don't need to be perfect to be protected. You just need to say yes to your healing, yes to your peace, and yes to walk in a way when your soul is not safe. So this week, walk like you were restored. Walk like you are covered. Speak like you're chosen. Love like you are free because you are. And always remember, a stronger mind is a stronger you.